Let's see. I'm gonna do, and this is gonna be my. This is the beginning of the ghost. It's gonna about to snow. It's actually, see the night sky. It actually was gonna snow at 4. Right now it's 5:02, and I don't see any snow yet. And they said it's gonna be a big storm, like 9 to 12. They changed it. It was the first one. It was like 1 to 8. There's some ASMR. I'm gonna do an ASMR video after this, actually. But I'm feeling somebody's around me too. I feel like somebody's around me, and I can't, I'm hearing things too. I know somebody's outside, but I feel like somebody's around the fire with me. That's a dog. It's getting so quiet. I'm cold. A husky? No, is somebody around me? The dog wants to talk.
Where are you?
In my backyard. Yeah, you. Where are you? Right next to me? Or behind me or front of the fire? Like in front of the fire right there. I don't think nobody's home because I could see nobody's lights are on. That's interesting. Were you in front of a I swear to God, I just saw a shadow. That was you. Did I see you?
Are you okay?
Oh, I am okay. Are you okay? I'm just freezing. I'm just cold. Thank you for asking. That's really nice of you, actually. My hand hurts. I have another question. Were you in my bedroom before Christmas or on Christmas or Christmas Eve? One of those 2 days. Well, you were in front of me and I like I went through you. Oh, I could tell you that, sorry. When I'm not freezing. Pretty cold.
Don't.
So you wasn't. Okay. Don't ask. I'm like, are you saying do not ask again? Or oh yeah, I'm gonna put this wood on. I mean, Mom. The dogs really want to talk tonight. I have a question. Is it true about this year in the 8th year about justice and everything coming true? Like not true, like justice, I mean.
Dead.
Are you dead? Obviously, that's a dumb question, but are you talking about yourself?
Kitchen.
Are you in my kitchen? Is first of all, is couple like I think a year ago, did I see you in my kitchen?
Jackie.
Who's Jackie? Are you right next to me, Jackie? Or Jackie is your name or your friend?